Hey, I'm Matt Ruben, and this is Ruben Custom Sawmilling. So a lot of customers ask me why I got started in what I do, and really there's three reasons. First of all, there's beauty. You never know what you're going to get when you cut into the log, which is the second reason of curiosity. You can kind of tell what you're going to get, but you really don't know, and you're the first person in the whole world to see what's in that log, and that's pretty cool. And number three, there's a lot of waste out there. There's a lot of potential for that waste, and those are the three reasons why I got started. So all of my logs come from either storm damage removals or retrievals and city trees. So these are not logs that are being cut down for the sake of lumber. This is all urban salvage lumber or storm damage. So with our wood miser sawmill, we can cut logs up to 36 inches wide on the mill and 21 feet long. We can come to you or you can come to us. The choice is yours.